Hi, the job I've got at the moment, I've got this website, slancar.com. So if you go to that website, the customer that I'm working with, they have a blog in here called Articles. Now, if I click on Articles, well, it'll bring us.
I think it's outside. No.
It'll bring us to this page here. Here, she's uploaded some videos. 1, 2, 3. The latest. She wants to make it clearer and have a videos section for users. So I'm going to go back to her and suggest that we have a videos button at the top here, and then I'm possibly thinking that we could add the videos, or we could duplicate this blog with a particular category, say videos, and only display that category. So it would be 1, 2, 3. Apparently there's 5 videos, and the links would be there, and all of this here would not be there because that would be not categorized under this blog. It would be under the articles here. So reusing the blog, I'm not sure if we can have 2 versions of blog pages. I suppose we can, but if you can give me your thoughts on the easiest way and obviously the most cost-effective, time-effective solution to make it easier for the client to have a list of videos in a separate link. That's kind of the brief at the moment. So just like to hear your thoughts first, and then I'll go back to her and make some suggestions. Okay, cheers, thanks.